The Gregorian Calendar and the number of the beast. One number. The Gregorian Calendar is split into different lengths, different months, for a reason. 30 days hath September, April, June and November. All the others have 31, with the exception of February alone, which has 28 days. This particular arrangement, as you see here, is very specific. What it renders in number is incredibly surprising. Let me show you. The two chevrons depicting the months and the days are specific. This represents the sigil of Saturn. It's also the representation of 7s and 4s on the universal mathematical matrix core, the 8x8 square that is repeated forever. The sigil of Saturn for the 3x3 magic square. Let's have a look at the months. The months 1, 4 and 7, 147, leads us straight to the number of the beast. When we observe 31 days and 7 months, the 31st and 7th, when the first prime is 1, represents the 6th, and the 66th, when the first prime is 1. 31 and 7 together are 317, rendering 66. 11 times 6. This again can render the number, that one number. 31 and 7 become the 66th, and 6 times 11 through prime gives us 13 and 31, and that strung together is 11 cubed. 11, 11, 11. Then the number of days brought together are 89. This is the 11th Fibonacci and the 24th prime. There aren't many crossovers where Fibonacci meets prime, but this is one. And then from there, we can observe the left column, which will render us with 313. You couldn't make it up really, could you? Am I just making it up? I did not design this calendar. All I have done is merely observe it. 317 at the top, 66th. At the bottom, 281, the 60th. 66 and 6, 66 and 60. Now, 30 days, 4 months. It can be either 304 or 430. Either way, they can both, through one side or another of that prime positioning, represent 74. The Gregorian Calendar, 444 years old. Every combination of pairing numbers will result in a variety of things, but what they all can do is represent one finale. That 7-11 is absolutely everywhere. So, as a wee synopsis here, this this Gregorian calendar is, the only thing I can call it is spectacular. This is no accident of chance factor, as some may absolutely insist upon. And anybody that could consider these things as I have done, just follow my lead and go and check for yourselves. I mean, it takes time, yes, and I don't get everything right, I'm sure. You know, I'm just an observer. That's all I am. But this one number can be seen in so many places, And here it isn't something that's been with us for 444 years. There's a point to note. It was 1611 when the King James Bible came into view, which isn't very many years later, something like 29 years. 29 years. I thought our calendar was actually quite a lot older. I did. The number of the beast and the Gregorian calendar. This 444 meets very well in symbolism where the Codex Gigas is concerned. Video number 4 coming.